So this is the 4 pillar point of the tank base. So the next thing we did, we had to chain it. We chained the 4 pillar points with a 4 board beam that is about 5 feet in height. So after that, we went ahead, we cast the beams. So is the tank base, is the foundation. Gotta fill this next and do the matting. After pouring the slab, we had to wait till the next day for it to get dried. Then we start mounting the column, the iron rods for the column, in preparation for the first deck of the tank stand. So this is the first deck. See what we've got up there. Ooh, nice forming. So it remains the reinforcement. And down here, this is the slab. Okay, that's where the foundation level ends. And up back here again. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down. This is a tank stand, just like the one over there, but this one is going to be 2 deck, since this is a 1-story building here. Exactly. So these are the columns, 4 columns. That's the final column I'll be taking up, and this is the ring for the deck. The rings for the deck. Yeah, these are the beam runners, the slab reinforcement. Okay, let's go back up and check. This is kind of wide. So we're having a concrete cover of 2 inches. Yeah, a concrete cover of 2 inches. So the beam goes this way, the runners go this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the mat will be at the top here. We'll return it back. Okay, so let's go back. So same process that will be done up there will be done for the final deck, but just that the only little difference is the final deck will be extended a little bit by 2 foot, 1 foot in here to the right, 1 foot to the left, but not this way and not this way, but this way and the other way. Yes. So we're done with the first deck. This is the first deck. Ooh. This is a concrete cover. This one is about 2 inch. This one is an 1.5 inches. Whoa, nice work done. So the next thing is casting. So it's a nice job done. So we want to erect the next column. Ooh, nice one. So these are the starter pillar for continuation. As for lapping, so this is the top. And these are the wings. And this is the beam. Laying the mats right now. We are starting with the main bars and next the distribution bars. So the job is done. This is the outcome of the job entirely. So the reinforcements were done with it. So the next thing is to pour the concrete mixture. So we have this rod coming out, protruding outside. It's for the ladder. We're going to construct a ladder down up there. So along this column, we're constructing a ladder, and uppermost there we are going to construct the guider for the tanks so that they don't fall off. That's the purpose for those rod at the four corners. So up here we're having the concrete cover underneath, 2-inch. Also having by the sides. So these rods at the four corner is for the girder, so they'll be welded in place after the job is complete, with the ladder inclusive. Hope you learned something from the video. Thanks for watching.